Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better. I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100.
Hello guys, you are welcome back again on The Beton's Crypto. I'm your guy, The Beton. Let's discuss crypto. Let's look at the markets, what is going on, and I'm gonna give you guys some top strategies that you can use to build a successful portfolio with altcoins such as Floki Inu, Bitget Bryce, Doge Coin, of course, CSP Casper, Luna token, Sweat token. There's so much out there that you guys are holding as well. I'm gonna give you guys one of the best ways. I call it top strategy that you can use to build a successful crypto portfolio. I want us to agree on one thing. We all are here to make money in cryptocurrency. That's the ultimate goal here, to make money, of course, to have financial freedom. And if you see you don't understand how to go about this journey, then you might find yourself losing money along the way, right? So let's discuss that and many other things that I want us to, embark on today. But those of you who are joining me for the first time, you are welcome to this platform. And those of you who always have stick with me on this platform ever since I started, you guys are awesome. Keep watching my platform. Keep getting the value, and also comment below what you think about crypto in general, what you are holding. Do you have something or some challenges that you're facing that you want me to address? Do a special video for it. I can do that for you because you guys are the reason why I'm here. Putting these smiles on my face is because of you. All right, now, okay, before I go, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, I almost forgot that one. Subscribe and thumbs up. But let's look at this, guys. Crypto bubble. Now, this is for the daily time frame, like for today, right? The last 24 hours. This is what has been going on in the market. We know we are in Easter, right? And most of the cryptos are in red, right? You can see only XRD is in by 13%, right? And the rest, is in red. And when we go to look at Bitcoin, like I can just scroll down here and see Bitcoin is at $27,934. Well, most of you might think, Bitcoin is, maybe dead. Bitcoin is going down, But there's so much I want you guys to understand when it comes to Bitcoin and other cryptos, because Bitcoin is the alpha. And when Bitcoin moves, other altcoins are going to move as well. So you guys should look at Bitcoin as the main focus in making money in this industry. If you look at Bitcoin on a macro level, it's going to help you to understand how to invest in other altcoins like Floki Inu, Doge Coin, Bitget, Bryce, name it, any one that you are holding. When you understand Bitcoin, it will help you to understand, to know how to go about investing in these altcoins, because the end goal or the ultimate goal here is to accumulate more Bitcoin, right? I never knew this when I started investing in cryptocurrency. I only knew about this some few months back. Guys, Bitcoin is the only asset that you can say, to have trust in it. Having said that, guys, let me just go again to, first of all, let me begin with this year. Luna token is down 1%, which is a buy, because if I look at this is not Luna, the Doge Coin Luna. This is not date. This is Luna token, like Luna Crush. So make sure you check more on this token. It's gonna explode soon. Trust me, you want to look at Luna. Look at where it is. This is one of the top coins that I am holding in my portfolio. This Luna. it might surprise most of you guys because like is kind of like okay. When we look at the rank, look at the rank 2,715 in the crypto space. There's so much utility when it comes to this coin, right? Luna token have lots of utility. The next is Casper. I've talked about Casper on my platform for so long right now, and it's been a while I created a content or I create content about this token. And today I want to show you that Casper is about to explode when you look at where it is right now and where we might expect it to be in the future. I'm going to show you guys the chart of Casper. But look at Casper is one of those coins that you are going to be, investing in during this moment to make a lot of profit to end up buying Bitcoin. I'm going to give you guys different ways you can go about this in the course of this video. I'm going to do this quick, not like rush it, but I'm going to do it in a way that after seeing these altcoins, I'm going to give you guys, different strategies that you can go about investing in these altcoins and in any other altcoin out there. But this is going to be just the basics. If you say you want to follow this, just do as I'm saying. Now, the next on my list is Sweatcoin. I know most of you who follow my platform, like you are subscribed to this platform, you understand that this is one of the project out there that will make you real profit, right? Real profit, Sweatcoin. And if you look at if I zoom, you're gonna see that this token is at the bottom and still going down. This is an opportunity for you guys to dive deep into it to understand what this token is all about. Again, I'm going to give you guys more light as to how to go about, engaging in different crypto projects. As I mentioned, I want to give you guys top ways you can go about making money in cryptocurrency. This is what I've been doing for like almost 1 year now, and it's working, because I look at the bigger picture. We say you fall in love in in a particular project, like those of you who are there believing, okay, this token is more than this, Bitcoin is more than this, or Floki is more than Doge Coin, Shiba Inu is more than baby Doge Coin. No, guys, this is not the reason why you should be in crypto. As an investor, you are here to make money and protect your investment or protect your dollar, right? So the least you can do is to be doing like all those things, right? You don't have to do all those things. Focus on how you can make money every now and then in this space. If we move further, we're going to see that Floki Inu is down today 1.3%, and Floki Inu has been doing that well. It has gained a lot of attraction in the crypto space. We have seen a lot of different exchanges, investors coming on board to buy this token. Because, guys, they are building, they keep building, and they have a good marketing strategy, that attract more investors into their ecosystem. So I think to an extent, Floki is one of those tokens that you should be having in your portfolio. But guys, again, don't just buy this because I mentioned it to you. I'm going to recommend that you go and do more research. And again, I'm going to show you guys how you can go about doing that research like right now, so that when the time comes, you are going to make lots of money. The next on my list is, let me just move further to see this. BitGetBrice. BitGetBrice is next on my list. There's not much to talk about BitGetBrice more than what I've already mentioned on my videos. Go to my videos. You're gonna, check out all the videos I've done about BitGetBrice. You're gonna understand more about BitGet. For you, not the big BitGet exchange, but the BitGetBrice token, project. So go and check that out. And for today, they are down minus 9%, not that much. If say we look at other project, right? And if say we look at Sweatcoin, I think I already look at Sweatcoin already. Gala Games is also another token that I recommend you guys to go and look at. It's gonna be huge in the future. And also we have Polygon. Polygon is a token that I have been looking at lately. Usually I didn't actually pay attention to Polygon, but recently I've seen so much development within the ecosystem. The gaming aspect of Polygon. They are focusing so much on gaming these days, attracting more games to their ecosystem. So I think Polygon must be onto something in gaming, and we all can agree on the fact that gaming is going to be huge in cryptocurrency. We have NFTs, we have gaming, NFTs game, all this stuff is going to be huge in cryptocurrency. So you want to actually pay attention to that. Now, going to the chart, okay, before I go to the chart, I want you guys to understand this now. Investing, let me just give you guys the top strategies that you can go about investing in different altcoins, because this is very important. And I'm going to come closer to you guys so we can do this as, as like, as a family, right? Diversification is one thing you should focus on. What I mean by diversification, I don't mean you should just go and buy everything because you want to diversify your portfolio. No. I want you to invest in the things you understand, right? But choose at least 2 or 3 of them. It's going to depend on how much you have. Don't get hyped by so many projects out there that are pumping. No. Do a proper research or connect with someone who understands how to do research on different projects. Once you have connected with that person and you have done the research and you are confident enough to say, okay, the plan is this. I want to buy Doge Coin. I want to buy Shiba Inu. I want to buy Floki. I want to buy baby Doge Coin. Once you have decided what you're going to be buying based on the resources you have, then go and look at the ecosystem. Look at their Twitter page. Look at their social page. Look at engagement. How people are engaged on those areas, and look also on their different product that they offer to the public. What are they doing? Their roadmap. Are they actually delivering what they promise? Are investors happy with what they're doing? If investors are happy with what they're doing, then you want to now start to look at the bigger picture. Why are you going to buy this particular token? Let's say baby Doge Coin. Are you going to buy baby Doge Coin and hold it forever? No, you wouldn't buy it. Right? So we have talked about diversification and fundamentals. The fundamental is you go and look at them, do more research about the ecosystem and so on and so forth. Then now, before you decide to buy, you have to understand technicals. For you to understand when to get in and out, you need to have a technical mindset to say, if you're buying baby Doge Coin right now, if baby Doge Coin 10x or 20x or 2x your investment, you are going to sell baby Doge Coin. And if say baby Doge Coin is going down, okay, you believe in the fundamentals, and also you are seeing that the technicals might be because of certain things happening in the market, like different market sentiment, right? And from there, you can decide to buy more, because you know that at that point in time, it's an opportunity for you to buy more of the token, looking at the macro of crypto or the crypto industry, right? This is important. Don't sell a project you have taken time to do research on just because you see the charts going down, the technical going down. But the technicals will help you to know when to get in and when to get out after you understanding the fundamentals. Right? So the fundamentals will help you to keep holding this token, even when people are saying it's bad, it's a scam, or is that. Do you understand that? This is important, and the long-term goal here is to make that profit and buy Bitcoin. Put this in your mind. Buying Bitcoin, holding Bitcoin is the only way out for you to be able to make money and protect yourself in the crypto space, because every altcoins that go pump to the upside will fall definitely to the downside, and Bitcoin is not going to fall as this altcoin, and this altcoin can wake up one day and disappear. Bitcoin is the only asset which is secured and untouchable. There's no CEO. There's no one who is gonna be saying, "Oh, let's block Bitcoin trading." No one can block Bitcoin trading. No one can suspend you from say I'm putting a red flag on you not to buy Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is how you protect your money from the volatile market. When you realize that now is the bull market, you buy more altcoins, right? When you realize these altcoins have made you a lot of money, then you want to use that money to buy Bitcoin, right? But you are buying Bitcoin not as if you are buying it like immediately. You have a plan that, okay, because Bitcoin have now go to the all-time high, right? Now let me now start DCA on Bitcoin with this profit. You, of course, going to be in USDT. Now you start DCA. USDT is not even secure, right? So, I mean, Bitcoin is the most secure asset anyways. So when you are investing in this, once you have gone through the fundamentals, you have diversified your portfolio, you have looked at the technicals, the next thing you should look at is risk management. And this risk management, it goes exactly it's the same with the technical analysis, because from technical analysis, you're going to see, okay, from this level to this level, I can manage my risk enough, so much so that I wouldn't be making losses in this crypto land. If say I have to sell and take out some profit along the way, this is where I want to, do it. This is where I want to do it. So it's very important, you do this. And the last year is stay up to date. You have to be updated as to what is going on with the project that you are investing in. If say you are not updated you are not updated on this aspect, then you might not know what is happening when the price is going down. You might not understand what is happening when the price is going up. You will just be FOMOing in, or you are gonna be making mistakes. That's what you don't want to do. So these 5 points will help you, or these five strategies will help you to invest in your own top cryptocurrency. The reason why we call it your top cryptocurrency is because that's the project you want to invest in to make money. And when you make the money, don't leave it inside because you are in love with the project. No, don't fall in love with any project. The only thing you need to love is your money. When you love your money, be it Floki Inu, be it maybe Doge Coin, be it fake token, I call for fake token. Yeah, if you make money in fake token, pull it out and buy Bitcoin, or keep it somewhere else because it's not safe there. So I had to stress on this so you guys understand fully what it takes for you to be actually successful in this space. Having said that, let's keep on rolling the dice, and let's look at this. This is let's look at Bitcoin now, the chart of Bitcoin and other charts. This is Bitcoin, and I think Bitcoin might be going to either direction as it is right now. Bitcoin is consolidating, and if say we see a movement here with Bitcoin, let's see the target here. Let me see the target here. If say Bitcoin have to move here. Let me see the next target for Bitcoin. Okay, so if say Bitcoin is breaking this trend line here, I think Bitcoin is gonna go to 25,000. Yeah, 25,000. And if say Bitcoin breaks to the upside, let's see where Bitcoin is going to go to. Let's see. That's 31,000. Yeah, 31,000. So Bitcoin is going to 31,000. If say I zoom this, let me zoom this to, let me bring it to refresh this, then zoom this a little bit so we can see. Yeah, okay, now this is even more clear. Yeah, if you look at Bitcoin, and if say I draw this like this, see that Bitcoin is actually where Bitcoin is supposed to be during this moment. If I take this back, you're gonna see that the target we can see Bitcoin go up to, before it retraces back is around 31,000 and 33,000. So in between this rectangle here, this box here, we're going to see Bitcoin. So this target, it makes sense right now to see that this target, right? Because if I zoom this again, let me refresh this. You can see that this target, it makes sense that Bitcoin might get to that level and even touch that, even attempt to go out of this box, right? The price. Well, within this box is a range that Bitcoin is going to be trading. So mark this. If say Bitcoin goes up, I think Bitcoin is gonna go down anyways. It's gonna like try to wanna go down, then bounce back from 25 or 24. The lowest it can go is at 24,000. This is it, yeah. I think the lowest it can go is at 24,000. You guys should mark these zones. It's very important. It's gonna help you, know when to buy your own altcoins and when to take out profit, or when to just stay and watch the market as it moves. So I think these are the different possibilities with Bitcoin. I don't like love to go to stress myself to do all those hard technical analysis. I want to keep things simple so that everyone can understand. I make sure I look at support and resistance. This is what has been helping me recently, to actually know when to buy. And I do spot trading a lot than futures these days. So what I do, guys, is I come to the monthly time frame. I look at the bigger picture here from the monthly time frame to see what is going on in the market. I try to zoom and look at the market. Like in this case, you can see here that the reason Bitcoin couldn't break this level, this was about let's say 15,000, is because you see this was a zone back then in January 2018 that Bitcoin was rejecting to there was a strong resistance there for Bitcoin, and that this resistance automatically became support, and this was a support that held Bitcoin. This was a zone that held Bitcoin back then during the bear market, and we saw that Bitcoin bounce back. So the only reasonable thing to say right now is that Bitcoin is going to go at least recover at least 30% from the all-time low, right? I mean, from where it was this year or the previous years from this zone. So we're going to see Bitcoin get right at around let's say right now around let me see, what price is this, 34,000, exactly within that range that I mentioned, 32, 33. So we can expect Bitcoin to go up to that level before we see major retracement back. And you have to look at this on a bigger perspective, again, macro. When you look at at a macro lens, you are going to understand when it's going to be the bear market and when it's going to be maybe the bull market, right? So right now we are seeing that Bitcoin is going towards the bull market. And when Bitcoin breaks this 34 or 29,000, where it is right now, if it break it and start trading above 31,000, then you want to start looking at all your altcoins, out there. Don't just FOMO into altcoins right now. It doesn't it won't save you anything, right? But keep the ones you have been holding, for all up to this moment. And if you have been buying more, good, you have been buying more, but don't add new altcoins to your already existing coins. Just stick with the ones you have. And if you have more means, keep buying them instead. Because I think if you go into any other altcoins right now, it's not a good move. Try to accumulate and reduce your portfolio to accumulate more of the ones you really have conviction in. So that if say it 10x, if say it 20x, you can have something really significant to start now looking at the market. So now you have lots of money to look at the market to see which ones you can buy. This is very important so that you don't actually go out there and make such mistake to just want to buy everything, right? Now, Floki is moving sideways. Floki is it's obvious where Floki is right now. If I go to the monthly time frame, I mean, Floki has been pumping. How many percent? Let me see how many percent this token has pumped. Recently. Let me look at price range from this level to this level. Let's see how many percent Floki has pumped. That's 800. That's 8x. Yeah, about 8x, and it's but normal that we are seeing rejection or let's say retracement. Okay, let me see how many percent Floki has retraced from the pump. That's about 50% down to the downside, right? So I think it was obvious, and we can even see Floki go down to, I mean, almost 65% downward before it bounced back. But looking at this rejection here, I think Floki Inu is trying to build some support at this area. I don't know, in this area, like this area here. I think it's trying to build support there, and it might be trading up, around this area, or maybe go more to the upside. But as it stands, I think where Floki Inu is an opportunity for you to accumulate more, because when you look at the bigger picture, I think the token have huge opportunity to the upside. Is still the one of the 128 crypto out there. So looking at the macro, I think Floki Inu is it's a good buy. So take a look at that, and let's move on to different. This is BitGet. No, before I go to BitGet, let me go to Baby Doge Coin. Okay, those of you who followed my channel, if you have been with me ever since I started creating videos about Baby Doge Coin, that's more than 9 months ago, you should be really making awesome gains, right? And again, well, I love the word again because it's like I'm reminding you of what I've said before, right? And looking at this zone, this box is accumulation zone. And we saw Baby Doge Coin. This is the monthly time frame. I love to zoom to look at the bigger picture. Don't look at, if you look at the 5-minute time frame, you can have high blood. If you look at the 15-minute time frame, you can have high blood. Let me just, let me reset this. You can have high blood. You can see prices are going down, 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 down. But when you look at the monthly time frame, you see the bigger picture. You see exactly what is going on here. Where the price of Baby Doge Coin is. It's normal looking at the pump. And those of you who were buying during the pump, again, that's not what you do. You don't buy when the prices are going up. You buy when prices are going down. Learn this. You don't buy when prices are going up. When prices are going up, you take out profit. When they are going down, you start DCA until you get to a point where you say, okay, I'm going to keep buying more of this. And when it bounces back like 10%, you make a lot of profit and you take it again. So I don't know how I want to stress this to you guys. You don't just make money with cryptocurrency overnight. It takes time for you to make money in crypto. It takes a lot of time. So you need to study the market. Make sure you are positioning yourself to make money when it is time to make money. When it is time make sure you position yourself to make money when it is time to make money. That's what you should be doing. Don't just buy because you want to buy. Look at the technicals. Remember what I told you with how you go about looking at different cryptos out there. You look at the technicals, the fundamentals. You have a good risk management plan. To know when to get out and when to get in. These are important facts that you need to look at. Now let's move to the next, which is BitGet price. I laugh at this. I laugh whenever I look at BitGet, at this price. I think BitGet have the potential to actually 5x. What am I talking? I mean, cancel 5-0. I'm saying 5x. So cancel 5-0. BitGet can cancel 5 zeros like in no time. This token is not even listed in many exchanges, like for real. And I think that this token can actually, 100x your investment. If say this token cancel 5-0 or 2 zeros, can it make you rich? Yes, it can make you rich, regardless of how much you are investing in right now. So you guys should actually look at this token that I talk about on my platform. all like every now and then. I'm not just here because I want to make you to buy any cryptocurrency. No, I'm here because I want you to be financially free. I want you to actually learn how to make money in this industry. It took me lots of time and it cost me a lot of money to be able to understand what I know today. That's why I want you guys to learn from my experiences. Don't go and make the same mistakes I've made in the past, right? If you do that, then you won't be able to make money in this space. What we got here, Casper. I already talked about Casper, and like if you can see, look at the monthly time frame. You can let me zoom this a little bit to so for you guys to see properly. You can see here that Casper is making higher highs on the monthly time frame. That is, Casper can skyrocket to the upside anytime from now. And if that happens, where do you think we can see Casper? Let me show you where if it happens. But I laugh at times because you guys think maybe what I'm doing here is just rocket science. No, it's not rocket science. This is simple. We can see we can see about 1x Casper soon. Yes. We can see 1x Casper soon. This is what I'm seeing here. Like, yeah, I'm seeing that we can see 1x Casper soon. Yeah, exactly. We can see 1x Casper anytime from now. If, say, you don't pay attention to this right now to accumulate Casper as well, it's gonna be up to you. I'm just saying what I'm gonna be doing, to accumulate. If I look at the bigger picture, you can see that Casper has been forming higher highs from the monthly time frame. What does it mean? It means it's about to poof to the upside. You need to be available. What I mean available is you need to acquire Casper before it goes to the upside. Then when that happens, you can take out some profit, buy Bitcoin. That's the game here. What do I have next year? Matic, that's Polygon. When you look at the chart of Polygon on the monthly time frame, it's clear from what I'm seeing here that Polygon, from like the next move for Polygon is gonna go to the all-time high. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm seeing here. Polygon is gonna go to the all-time high. Looking at where it is right now, buying Polygon from where it is towards like take it right down to let me say 0.00150 is it worth it because this project have a huge upside. So look at Polygon. It's still cheap. I think Polygon can get up to $100. Yeah. We're gonna see Polygon wake up someday and and right up to $50 before going to $100. This is possible. Remember where Ethereum was and where Ethereum is right now? Could you ever imagine that Ethereum will be $3,000 or $2,000 per Ethereum? Polygon can do that. I've been looking at what Polygon, like the ecosystem, everything, and I think they are attracting more investors to their project, and they are focusing recently they are focusing on gaming and so on. They have attracted a lot of gaming industry. They have added, now I'm saying something else. They have attracted a lot of gaming companies. I want to say companies, I say industries. They have attracted more gaming companies or developers to come and develop on the ecosystem. It's like I'm tired already. Let me drink water so I can get some energy. Yeah, sorry, like you see, I'm tanking the water. Okay, so what I'm actually trying to say here is Polygon is attracting gaming gaming like more gaming development to their ecosystem. They're attracting more developers. They are building more games on their ecosystem. So I think you should look at Polygon long term, right? Okay, I think I'm almost coming to an end here. Luna, I've talked about it already. I cashed this right to the outside. If you guys don't know, I bought Luna here, and I got 100x, 10x my investment. I sold it at one point, then now I'm buying it again. And I think the next thing you're gonna do is 20x my investment. So I don't spend so much time buying everything that people say buy or is going up. No, I wait for my turn. Every crypto project have its own turn to pump, and when you are patient enough to wait for that turn, for your turn to come, then you're gonna make a lot of money. That's the game, Yeah. What I got next year is Sweatcoin. I already talked about Sweatcoin, but look at the chart of Sweatcoin. So go and get more Sweatcoin if you can. And looking at top crypto news here, okay, let me see. Yeah, you can see. I'm not gonna go into this right now because I think my time is already up. I wanted to stream here 35 minutes, so I think it's already 35 minutes that I have been streaming live. Yeah. So this is it, guys, for today. I'm not gonna take so much of your time again. Make sure you practice the 5 concepts or the 5 strategies that I've mentioned here to help you invest in different cryptos out there. And if say you want to learn more about cryptocurrency, I have a one-on-one masterclass that I can help you take you from where you are towards where you want to be. The links are found below this video. There I'm gonna guide you on the basics, different cryptos out there that I myself I'm buying. I'm gonna give you different ideas on how you can go about buying it, and if possible, I can give you signals to buy more of it. If say you wanna, you have a budget that you wanna buy cryptos, I'm gonna help you to choose one of the best cryptos out there that can help you to make money. And again, the end goal is going to be for you to buy a lot of Bitcoin, the future of money. All right, guys. If you are still watching and you haven't yet subscribed, then go right now and smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and you share this content with someone else out there. Having said that, bye-bye.
Like it's nothing, I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend of